Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get advanced skin colors on Roblox Mobile. This will be like more colors for your avatars that you're able to get just from the application. But I'll show you guys really quick. If you just go on the application and go over to your avatar and go to customize it, and then you go to the body and you'll see the skin colors here. You only get so much when you're on the mobile app, but I'll show you guys how to add the ones that you would normally get on the desktop computers and be able to customize your avatar with those colors just on your phones. So all you want to do is go over to your Safari web browser or Google Chrome, whatever you're using. Now, when you go to roblox.com, you just want to click on Continue in Browser and just go ahead and log in if you haven't done that already. But once you're logged in on the mobile browser, you just want to go to the top left corner where you see the three lines and click on that, and then just click on Avatar. And once you're on this screen, you have to change it to desktop mode. So whether you're on Safari or Google Chrome, there'll be two different ways you have to do that. On Google Chrome, you'll have three dots in the bottom right corner. You can click on that and just find Request Desktop Website. And then on Safari, like I'm on here, you want to click on the two A's in the top left corner. And then you will see Request Desktop Website. So you can go ahead and click on that. And it will give us the avatar editor of the desktop version. So once we're on here to change the skin, we can just drag over and click on Body. And then you just want to find skin tone. And then if we zoom out here, you'll notice that we have advanced at the bottom here. And there's lots of colors in here that you'll be able to click on. Whenever you find any color that you would like, you just want to click on it and then click on Done. And then you'll see on the left side here that your avatar is edited. So all you want to do is make sure those changes are saved. Once they're saved, you just have to exit out of here and go back over to your Roblox application. Just make sure you close that as well so it updates. So I'll exit out of here and just close out of my Roblox application as well. And then I'll go back into Roblox and over to the avatar, and you'll see it will have the new color that we chose on the desktop editor. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on your phones. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.